When a product or service falls short of expectations, a well-structured consumer complaint letter can help you voice your concerns effectively. Let's explore its key components. A consumer complaint letter is a formal document used to communicate dissatisfaction with a product, service, or experience. It provides businesses with a clear understanding of the issue and the consumer's expectations for resolution. A strong consumer complaint letter includes introduction, details of the purchase, including date and product service specifics. Nature of complaint, a clear explanation of the issue. Expected resolution, a statement of the consumer's desired outcome. With a well-crafted consumer complaint letter, you can communicate your concerns clearly and professionally, increase the likelihood of receiving a fair resolution, hold businesses accountable for their products and services, strengthen consumer rights and advocacy. JustSign platform facilitating digital complaint submissions. JustSign makes it easy to draft, sign, and send your consumer complaint letter digitally. Upload your letter, sign it securely, and submit it to the business, ensuring a streamlined and documented process. Get started with JustSign. Visit our website, justsign.com.au, call us at 02-9684-4199, or email us at sales@justsign.com.au. Thanks for watching.